Hi, today we're going to talk about SQL's aggregate functions. There are actually 5 aggregate functions. There are 4 that are 3 letters long, and just count is a longer word, right? So you've got max, min, sum, AVG, and count. So max is to find the maximum of a value in a table. Here's an example. Select max, then you would put brackets, put the field name in there as biggest mark, for example, to give the field a name in the column. And then you would put from table marks, for example. This will give you the top mark that is stored in the table. It's one number, and that's all we're going to get out of the table, the highest mark stored in the table. Min is very similar, just the opposite. To find the minimum of a value in a table, select min, brackets, temperature as lowest temperature from table weather. And I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Then AVG is used to find the average of all the values in a table. So select AVG brackets mark as average mark from TBL marks. And that will give you the average of all the marks in a table. Then sum is to find the totals of all the values in a table. So select sum brackets paid as total paid from table Civies Day, for example. And that will give you the total that everybody's paid up. Count does not look at the data. It just looks at the numbers of rows in the table. So to find the numbers of records or rows in a table, select count brackets star as number of students from table marks. That will tell you how many records there are in the table. You could also put a where clause and say where grade equals 10 and only count the grade 10s, for example. So you can, exactly what I was saying, add a where clause. For example, select max mark as biggest mark from table marks where grade equals 12. Or select min brackets temperature as lowest temperature from table weather where month brackets date equals 6. So you only look at the minimum temperature for the month of June in that one. Now, if you wanted to show each grade's maximum mark, you could run a command like this one 6 times. And you would change, well, let's look at it. Select max brackets mark as biggest mark from table marks where grade equals 7. And then you could change the 7 to 8 and run it again, then 9, run it again, etc., all the way to 12. Sure, that's a lot of work. There's a much easier way to show each grade's maximum mark. You can say select grade, comma, max bracket mark as biggest mark from table marks. And this is the magic line at the bottom, group by grade. That means take each grade, all the grade 7s, as a group and find the maximum mark for them. Select, you'll get all the grade 8s and get the maximum mark for them. And that's what this query will show you. So it will show you the maximum mark for each grade one at a time. And please note this. This is an interesting thing. When you do group by, whatever the field is that you've got next to the aggregate function, could be max, min, sum, AVG, or count, that field is the one you group by. All right? Interesting. Okay, another example. If you wanted to show the minimum weather for each month, you could run this command 12 times, and that could be really tedious. Select min temperature, lowest temperature from table weather, where month brackets date equals 1. And you'd fill in 2, then run it, 3, then run it, and all the way to 12. So you could obviously use a group by instead. Select month bracket date, comma, min brackets temperature as lowest temperature from table weather, and then group by month brackets date. And again, there's the field we've chosen next to the aggregate function. That's the one we group by. There other extra thing you can add to a group by function is a having clause. So there are times where you'd want to put a where clause that says something about the aggregate function query, but you can't do a where clause on a group by. You have to use having. Now the having says something about the results that you were already getting. So for example, if you wanted to only show the minimum temperature for each month, but only the ones that have a minimum value less than 10, so maybe only the winter months, you could put that same query in that we just saw, but at the bottom you add having min brackets temperature less than 10. And can you see that the having clause says something about what you selected in your query? Right? If you wanted to show the number of CDs with a genre containing the word pop, you could say select genre, comma, count star, there's your aggregate function, as number of CDs from the CD table, where genre equal like star, like star, pop, star, oh, excuse me, group by genre. So over here, we are only showing all the pop CDs, all the genres that have pop in them, okay? So if you wanted to only show those with more than 10 CDs, you would put having count bracket star greater than 10.